Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This video is update for my KS0 and KS3L mining KASPA and ROI calculation. Also, we're gonna see the hash rate right now on the screen. So we are at 17.7 pentahash. It went over 18 pentahash for the last couple days, but the next part is next reduction in just 1 minute. So we are at historical change here. Just in a minute we will see this rate, and we want to check how is it going to affect our KASPA rewards. So let's take a look. So this is for KS0 right now, 90 KASPA a day. Of course it's fluctuated back and forth, and 4500 KASPA roughly for KS3L. So let's watch it for the next minute and see how it's going to affect overall our profitability and KASPA reward. So let's take a look in our calculator right now. So we at 185 17.8, right? So around 90 KASPA. It's a little bit less probably than 17.6, 17.8. I think that's what the average calculates. To get around 4590 KASPA a day. So let's see in the next few minutes how this gonna affect the network. Less than a minute it was already changed to the, was it 75. Now notice that the KASPA price went to 3.9 cents. It was just 3.2, 3.1, 3.4 cents several days ago, and then just today start pumping a little bit right before this next reward. So I don't know what's that really, if this is affecting this pump, or what's going on with the KASPA, or somebody trying to buy it out. So right there, now we at 165 next reward. So we are currently at 175 as of right now. So at 17.6 pentahash, let's check it out and see where our changes here. Just I wonder if this is already updated on hash rate data. No, not yet. See, so it didn't affect any of the calculation yet. So I'm gonna try to get it again back maybe in a few minutes. So let's take a look what's our calculator gonna tell us. So we're gonna change this to 175 reward, today reward, right? KAS reward. All right, so we in the real time we updated. So next reduction in 30 days, 165 KASPA will be reward after next 30 days. And right now it's 175 with 17.9 pentahash, almost 18 pentahash a day. KASPA cost 3.9 cents roughly, right? I notice it's really hard to sell at that price on Gate.io. It's pretty close to that, but 38, 39, 3.8, 3.9. On the TradeAuger it's like 3.6, closer to that number, 3.6, 3.7 probably. So that's not that easy. And yeah, so really we don't have that. Yeah, 3.7 almost, so 3.6 you can sell. So it's not really, that's what the price there on the website. It's not that necessarily you can sell for that. So that's another consideration you should have. You should consider this number is not like 100%. You can just go and sell the KASPA for that price, right? And depending on the exchange rate you exchange platform you use, obviously. And so let's take a look at our calculator real quick and see how the hash rate data know. So hash rate data know been updating their stuff. So it's now at 84 KASPA a day for KS0, and we're gonna have on KS3L updated rate 42.36, and that's with the change here to 175, 42.89, 84.83. That's what I'm getting. So that's pretty close to hash rate data no updated reports, so we are pretty much back in the game with the new reduced rewards. Obviously that's a lot lower now, like about $3 after power for me on the KS0s and about $156 on KS3L after power. So hopefully with the power rate change in the next 3 weeks, I'm gonna be on 11 cents. That's gonna look slightly better for me, all right, and everybody else who has 10 cents or 11 cents or even 7 cents power. But for now, that's where we at. And then our ROI for my first batch for those two KS3L, I have a balance of 320. If everything goes as we plan with the rates going up at this rate, let's change this to 1.5. I think that's what we're trying to do. So I'll be in April, by end of the April next year, hopefully ROI. If that's what we're predicting here is gonna match to our second batch, is never gonna ROI at this rate and at this price. So it needs to be at least, we should be at least at 4.5 cents to be able to ROI by end of the following, not next year, but year of 25. Oh my gosh, that's so far out. Anyway, and then KS3L hopefully can ROI by May next year, and my second KS3L by July next year, July 20th. So basically those are predictions. Obviously the rate can change quicker or slower, and the KASPA price can change higher or lower. So those are factors gonna really affect the ROI, if you guys are interested in ROI. And that's it for this video, I guess. Just we want to update that. And my obviously my solo mining, so I have been mining for a week, and if I gonna hit the block, I am at actually gonna be 97 KASPA for the last week if I got those 7 blocks, and for the week it's pretty good rewards, because with hitting 7 blocks I just did for those 2 KS0s, basically get me for 2 workers, right? If you split between them, it's 97 KASPA per worker. Now with the reduced rate, it's going to be 84 KASPA if I still hit a block a day, but it's still better than, it's actually 87, so it's better than 84, but if I do that, if I'm lucky enough. So let's see, let's get another week for solo mining a try, see how it works on K1 pool, and my rates on K1 pool and hump pool are pretty close. I still have a hump pool getting a little bit better performance for my KS0s, and so I keep my KS3L also on hump pool. In average, it's getting even a little better than it was reported on hashrate.no. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one when I update for another week. I'm gonna do another table here for another week of the solo mining, and then just see how we doing with that solo hitting those blocks after KASPA reduction rate to 175 KASPA per block, right? All right, thanks. See you on the next one. Bye.